Hey, coin enthusiasts in the UK and USA. Forget ordinary pocket change, because this seemingly common 50 cent coin from Italy, dated 2002, is a portal to one of the world's greatest empires and a testament to European unification. Why is a coin depicting an ancient Roman emperor, Marcus Aurelius, so significant in modern money? This coin is an actual piece of history that circulated the moment Italy transitioned from the lira to the euro. Stay tuned as we unearth the coin's secrets, including a hidden masterpiece by Michelangelo on its design. And for the collectors among you, I promise to reveal the precise value of this historical treasure and the easiest way to cash in on it later in the video. Welcome to Numis Explorer. The Italian 50 cent coin from 2002 is a monument carved in metal, representing the final, physical adoption of the euro currency by Italy, one of the Eurozone's founding and most culturally rich nations. While the euro was officially adopted as a book entry currency in 1999, 2002 marked the crucial point when the lira currency was withdrawn and euro banknotes and coins were introduced into the hands of the public on January 1st, a process known as the changeover. This coin, therefore, is not a preliminary strike, but an actual piece of the new currency that millions of Italians used in the first year of the euro's physical existence, symbolizing Italy's commitment to the European project while simultaneously celebrating its profound ancient heritage. The historical weight carried by this 2002 coin, as it replaced centuries of local coinage with a pan-European medium of exchange, makes it an essential artifact for any collector interested in the monumental economic and political shift that occurred at the turn of the millennium. The reverse side of the Italian 50 cent coin, which features the national design, is a direct and powerful homage to the grandeur of the Roman Empire and the genius of Renaissance art. The primary motif is the equestrian statue of Emperor Marcus Aurelius, a bronze sculpture that has survived from antiquity and is recognized globally as a symbol of Roman power and philosophy. The decision to feature this specific statue, which embodies the Pax Romana, Roman peace, was a deliberate choice by the Italian Technical and Artistic Committee, linking the stability of the ancient empire to the modern hope for a unified and peaceful Europe. The image on the coin is not just of the statue, but of its arrangement in the Piazza del Campidoglio in Rome, a space meticulously redesigned by the legendary artist and architect Michelangelo. This coin, designed by Roberto Mauri, is therefore a double masterpiece, commemorating both the ancient Roman ruler and the artistic vision of the Italian Renaissance, a visual testament to Italy's continuous contribution to Western civilization. The artistic composition of the reverse side is rich with symbolic layers, making it particularly appealing to a global audience with an appreciation for history and architecture. The statue of Marcus Aurelius on horseback is centrally placed, a depiction of an emperor known for his wisdom and philosophical writings, which contrasts sharply with the often warlike images of other rulers. Crucially, the coin's design includes a subtle representation of the distinctive rosaceous paving pattern, a geometric star design that Michelangelo devised for the Campidoglio square where the statue was placed. This detail is a masterpiece of miniature coin design, as it connects the equestrian statue directly to one of Italy's most famous architectural spaces, created by one of its most famous sons. Encircling this entire national design are the 12 stars of Europe, balancing the celebration of Italy's past with its full integration into the modern European Union, perfectly capturing the theme of national identity within a collective political future. The obverse of the 2002 Italian 50 cent coin is the standardized common European side, a design shared across all Eurozone countries for the 10, 20, and 50 cent denominations. This side, created by Belgian designer Luc Louix, features a geographical map of the European continent, next to the facial value of 50 cent. The specific map style used on the 2002 coin is the first version, which distinctly shows the individual outlines of the 15 original European Union member states, symbolizing their gathering into the monetary union. This design deliberately emphasizes the separate nature of the nations coming together, a crucial early message of the Euro project. This design was later modified in 2007 to show a geographically more complete, single, and continuous landmass of Europe, thus making the 2002 coin's map style a unique historical marker of the original, foundational Eurozone composition. The sheer mintage volume of the 2002 Italian 50-euro-cent coin is an important factor in its numismatic story. In this year, Italy produced an exceptionally large number of these coins, with the official mintage figure surpassing 1.1 billion pieces, 1,136,718,000. This massive production was necessary to execute the complete replacement of the old national currency, the lire, with the new euro in general circulation. While this high mintage means the coin is readily available in a circulated condition, it underscores the monumental scale of the euro introduction and Italy's commitment to the project. However, the high mintage does not diminish the value of specimens in uncirculated, mint state, condition, which are always highly sought after by collectors aiming to acquire a perfect example of a significant first-year circulating issue. The massive production run itself is a historical fact, demonstrating the colossal logistical effort required for the Big Bang introduction of the euro across the continent. The Coin Selling Guide. A mid-video essential for those lucky enough to possess a 2002 Italian 50-euro-cent coin, especially if it is in pristine condition or exhibits a verifiable mint error. Knowing how to sell it is essential to realize its maximum worth. The initial step is rigorous condition assessment. A circulated coin is typically only worth its face value, but coins in uncirculated condition, or those that were part of official Italian mint sets, command a premium price. Under no circumstances should you attempt to clean the coin, as cleaning immediately degrades its numismatic value for serious collectors. To reach the best buyers, focus on online marketplaces like eBay, specifically targeting the international community of European and world coin collectors who are keen on acquiring first-year issues. Highlight the coin's historical significance, the lira-to-euro transition, and the artistic merit of the Marcus Aurelius/Michelangelo design in your listing. For genuinely rare pieces, such as those with an authenticated minting error, like a double rim or weak strike, consider having the coin professionally graded by services like PCGS or NGC to secure the highest possible sale price from discerning numismatists. The metallic composition of the 50-euro-cent coin family contributes to its recognizable look and feel, distinguishing it from the lower cent denominations. This coin is struck in an alloy known as Nordic gold, which, despite its misleading name, contains no gold whatsoever. The alloy is precisely formulated, consisting of 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, and 1% tin, giving the coin its distinctive brassy or golden color and excellent resistance to tarnishing. Beyond its aesthetic and durability, the specific composition and dimensions, 24.25 millimeters diameter, 7.8 grams weight, were standardized across all Eurozone countries. This standardization was a critical feature, ensuring that vending machines and currency processing equipment across the 12 founding countries could reliably recognize and process the new coin, eliminating the logistical chaos that would have arisen from disparate national coinage systems. Ultimately, the 2002 Italian 50-euro-cent coin is a remarkable blend of ancient legacy and modern unification, a powerful symbol appealing to collectors globally, including those in the UK and USA. Its design, steeped in the art and history of the Roman and Renaissance periods, offers a direct, tangible link to some of Western civilization's most revered figures, Emperor Marcus Aurelius and Michelangelo. Its importance as a first-year issue of a major global currency, the euro, places it directly into the narrative of 21st-century world economic history, making it a required piece for any serious collection documenting modern monetary transitions. The coin successfully transmits Italy's national pride through its artistic reverse while demonstrating its political commitment through the unified European obverse, guaranteeing its enduring appeal as both a cultural masterpiece and a significant historical document of Europe's defining post-millennial project.